Welcome to the Novus ERP tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and post a journal entry in Novus ERP. A journal entry is used to record financial transactions directly in the accounting system. It allows you to record adjustments, accruals, depreciation, corrections, opening balances, and other accounting transactions that are not automatically created through sales, purchases, or payments. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, review, post, print, reverse, and manage a journal entry. Let's get started. From the dashboard, navigate to Accounting. In the left navigation panel, under the Accounting section, click Journal Entries. The Journal Entries screen will open, displaying all previously created journal entries. Click Create to create a new journal entry. Begin by entering the reference or memo number according to your organization's business requirements. The journal voucher or JV number will be generated automatically when the journal entry is created. Next, select the appropriate journal. Depending on the transaction, this may be a general journal, adjustment journal, opening balance journal, or miscellaneous journal. The selected journal determines where the transaction will be recorded. Now enter the entry date. This is the accounting date on which the transaction is recorded and is used in financial statements, reports, and the general ledger. Next, enter a meaningful transaction reference. For example, office rent July 2026, year-end adjustment, depreciation entry, or opening balance. A clear reference makes the journal entry easier to identify in future reports, audits, and account reconciliations. Now it's time to enter the journal lines. For each line, select the appropriate account. Enter a description if required. If your organization uses analytic accounting, select the appropriate analytic account. If your organization uses budgeting, select the appropriate budget segment. If applicable, select the related partner for the transaction. Select the appropriate tax if required. Finally, enter either a debit amount or a credit amount. Continue adding journal lines until the transaction is complete. If additional accounts are required, click Add Line to insert more journal lines. Before posting the journal entry, ensure that the total debit amount is equal to the total credit amount. This is a fundamental accounting principle and is required before the journal entry can be posted. Once all the journal lines have been entered, carefully review the journal entry. Verify that the correct journal has been selected, the entry date is accurate, all accounts are correct, and the appropriate partner and taxes have been selected where applicable. Also confirm that the total debits equal the total credits and that all descriptions and references are complete. When you're satisfied with the information, click Save. The journal entry will be saved with the status draft. A draft journal entry can still be edited before it is posted. If the journal entry has never been posted, you can permanently remove it by clicking Delete. Please note that once deleted, the journal entry cannot be recovered. When you're ready to finalize the transaction, click Post. Once posted, Novus ERP records the transaction in the general ledger. The status changes from draft to posted, and the transaction becomes part of your company's official accounting records. To print or export the journal entry, click the More button in the upper right corner of the screen. Depending on your system configuration, you can print the journal entry, save it as a PDF, export it in CSV format, or generate additional reports. If your browser blocks pop-ups, be sure to allow them before printing. If changes are required after posting, click Cancel to cancel the journal entry, subject to your organization's workflow and user permissions. If available, click Reset to draft to make corrections and post the entry again. If your organization allows it, you may also edit the journal entry directly by clicking Edit. You can also click Reverse to create a reversing journal entry. This creates a new journal entry with the opposite debit and credit amounts, reversing the financial impact of the original transaction while maintaining a complete audit trail. Please note that journal entries which have already been posted generally cannot be deleted. Instead, they should be cancelled, reversed, or reset according to your organization's accounting policies. You have now successfully created and posted a journal entry in Novus ERP. Journal entries are one of the most important accounting features in Novus ERP. They enable organizations to record manual accounting transactions accurately, maintain a complete audit trail, produce reliable financial statements, and ensure every financial transaction is properly reflected in the general ledger. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you understand the complete journal entry process in Novus ERP.